welcome to Access News Live. Let's call on Jessie for news about DepEd school calendars. Jessie?
Good morning, Kiwan. I am here in DepEd and I'm about to interview Secretary Armin Luisra about the 2014 school calendar. And I am now going to talk to Secretary Luisra.
About the school calendar, we cannot change it now, June 2012, 2014, since it's already too late. But DepEd might be planning to change it at it's either next year or maybe a succeeding year.
Does this mean it'll happen in the next year or succeeding year directly?
For the next year and the succeeding year, maybe. But they still are trying to find out what negative things could happen, especially to public schools, since of the extreme heat, which could cause people to dehydrate, and the public school does not have air conditioning, so they could suffer a lot.
So, if private schools want to change their calendars, could they do so?
They may do so, but they still have to get proper approval from DepEd.
So, thank you, Secretary Luis. Kiwan, do you have any questions to ask?
Secretary Luistro, how about the universities that announced the changes in calendar?
For universities, it's gonna depend on CHED. But what I know is Diliman Campus and Ateneo de Manila will be opening from August or May 2014.
I'm going to ask someone about the school calendar opening this 2014. Hi, what's your name and where do you study?
I am Julia Fee studying at here.
What is your opinion about the school calendar opening for 2014?
For me, I still want classes to be on June to March because summer is hot. Otherwise, entering a room, it's sweat all over our body that we can easily get sick or even worse, get